For history. For history.
Toy Story.
After a year I will watch this one and then you can see how it was. If you remember, there was always this big pond and now they're making like a channel or canal, or and now they making it nice so the water can go away. What's up for today? Diving! Definitely diving. Weather conditions are good, so why not? We'll see how many dives we will do. I still have no any idea. Anna will go for photography. Laura will do something same. What I will be busy, I will see. Nobody got cold. Everybody's sitting in the sun, enjoying and warming up. Today is Saturday, and it feels that during the Saturdays, Sundays, I've been talking about that already. During the Saturdays and Sundays, we have so many people coming to Amed for diving, for snorkeling, and today is one of those days when there was a lot of local divers. I think there was like 3 buses. You can see that from the footage how many people were on the beach. It was actually super cool. It felt like in old good times before all this COVID madness, when there was a lot of divers and everybody was diving and there was all this booze, right? So like I love this booze actually. If you have so many people underwater, it's not that cool, but anyways, it felt like we are back to the normal times. Definitely we are way too far from the normal times, and I don't know when it will happen again, but it felt great. Now we're going to Lahangan Suite, then we will have that plan. 2 tents or 3 tents are prepared for our arrival. The wood is prepared, we will have a fireplace. And so this is the first time I'm driving car up all the way to Lahangan Suite. Usually we coming here by motorbikes. This was the first time. The guys got a little bit adrenaline just because it was really steep up and there been a rain. Was like a little bit slippery. When they will open the tents in the morning, they will see the sunrise. All looks really red, but that's how it looks inside, with the normal pillows, sleeping bags. Guys, our first time here, as they never been here in Lahangan Suite. It's like a regular place for us, but it doesn't matter that we've been here. I don't know, I've been definitely more than 10 times already, but it's always feels so good here. Glass.
Саша, вот так просто. О!
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Smash that thumbs up button, follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.